How to use a voucher on Uber. If you have a voucher and you want to use that on Uber, then in this video, I will guide you on how to do that. The first step is to launch open the Uber application on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Then make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will find different options here such as Help, Wallet, and Activity. Tap on the middle one, which is Wallet. Here, you want to scroll down. There is a section called Vouchers. Tap on Add Voucher Code option. On this box, you want to enter the voucher code. Make sure that you enter the correct code, then tap on the Continue option in order to claim and use your voucher. Once it has been added, you're going to find your vouchers over here. Then you can simply use it within the Uber app, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.